Salt dough. Ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 3/4 cup of water, food coloring. Materials: measuring cups, measuring spoons, bowl, gloves, roller, cookie cutters, cookie stamp. Pour the flour and salt into the mixing bowl. Add the water and mix the ingredients together. If the mixture has too much water, add flour as needed. If the mixture is too dry, add more water as needed. Take the dough and knead it on a hard surface until it reaches a smooth consistency. Break off a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. Make a concave indent into the ball of dough and add a few drops of food coloring. Squeeze the dough around the food coloring and mix them together until the color is spread evenly through the dough. The rest of the dough can be colored the same way until you have a rainbow of salt dough. Roll out the dough and use the cookie stamp and cookie cutters. The possibilities of what you can create are endless. Thanks for watching! Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseum@home.